right, so we have our pie crust that we cut into circles. I'm gonna bring in my greased muffin tin and we are gonna place one pie circle into each of our muffin holes, just like that. We're gonna do this super quickly for this yummy and easy dessert. Look how perfect that cookie cutter was for our muffin tin. All right, let's get our last pie circle all set and ready for our next ingredient, which is gonna be our strawberry pie filling. Ooh, this stuff is so delicious. I'm just gonna grab my little cookie scoop and we're gonna scoop some strawberry pie filling into each one of these muffin holes. Now I am using strawberry, but I think cherry or blueberry would be extra delicious with this as well. I am gonna add something else to our mini pies that will make them extra tasty. So you don't wanna fill them up too much. You need a little bit of room for maybe one more scoop of something delicious. Oh, I love this Duncan Hines pie filling. It's just so much more vibrant and flavorful than the store brand. But you know, the store brand can get it done as well. All right, let's go ahead and get these filled up with this deliciousness. Yummy. Last one. Look, and we can save that if we want to add a little bit more after our ingredient. All right, and we're gonna go right in with our strawberry cream cheese. Oh yeah, I did let this sit out for like 30 minutes. I cleaned off my scooper and we are gonna add a scoop of that cream cheese right in with that pie filling. Oh my goodness, this is just gonna make this taste like a strawberry cheesecake pie bite. I mean, I don't know if it gets any better than this. And of course, I'm using Tillamook because they make the best cheese, the best butter, the best cream cheese. They are my favorite. Okay, let's go ahead and get a good little scoop in each one of these, and then we can get them nice and cute for the holiday. All right, last one. Get that delicious cream cheese, and that's just gonna melt when we cook these up. Yummy. Now I wanna make these extra fun, so I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm gonna grab another one of our pie crusts. Roll this out, just like so. I have here some pink sprinkles, the pink sugar sprinkles. And we are just gonna sprinkle that all over our pie crust. We kind of want it to be pretty condensed into one area. And then we're just gonna press those sprinkles right into that pie crust so that it will stick. Now for the fun part, I have a mini heart cookie cutter, and we're gonna go ahead and cut out 12 mini hearts out of our pink sugar pie dough. Okay, got 12 little hearts. You can make little cinnamon sugar bites out of any leftover pie dough. Go ahead and bring back our muffin tin, and we are just gonna place these right on top, just like that. How adorable is that?
That's so cool.
You could use some red sugar sprinkles if you have those, but I just think the pink is so darling. All right, last one. Now these are ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350 and these are gonna cook for 25 to 30 minutes. These look so cute. Ooh. Okay, that pink sugar just so vibrant. All right, let's just pop one of these out. Oh my gosh, look how cute. That crust is perfectly golden. That is adorable. Okay, let's go ahead and dive in.
You broke the heart in half.
That cream cheese in there. So good, you guys. You're gonna love it. You have to try it.